Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to convert linear equations from standard form into slope-intercept form. This is a fundamental skill that will help you graph lines quickly and understand their properties. First, let's identify what standard form looks like. It is written as a x plus by equals c here. A, b, and c are typically integers, while x and y are our variables. You will often see equations presented this way in textbooks. Our destination is slope-intercept form, which is written as y equals mx plus b. This form is incredibly useful because it instantly tells us two key things: the slope, represented by m, and the y-intercept, represented by b. So, our mission is to transform the equation from standard form to slope-intercept form. The strategy is simple. We need to isolate y. We want y to be all by itself on one side of the equals sign. There are two main steps to do this. Step 1 is to move the x term to the opposite side. Since the x term is usually positive on the left, we subtract it from both sides. This moves it to the right side of the equation. Step 2 is to isolate y completely by dividing. We divide every single term in the equation by the coefficient of y, which is b. This leaves us with y equals negative a over b times x, plus c over b. Let's try a real example. We have the equation 2x plus 3y equals 9. Step 1 is to move the 2x. We subtract 2x from both sides. This gives us 3y equals negative 2x plus 9. Now for step 2. We divide every term by 3, which is the number attached to y. 3y becomes just y. Negative 2x becomes negative 2/3 x, and 9 divided by 3 becomes 3. Our final equation is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. Let's look at a trickier example with negative signs. X minus 4y equals 8. We start by subtracting x from both sides. Be very careful to keep the negative sign with the 4y, so we have negative 4y equals negative x plus 8. To finish, we divide everything by negative 4. Negative 4y becomes y. Negative x divided by negative 4 becomes positive 1/4 x, and positive 8 divided by negative 4 becomes negative 2. So our answer is y equals 1/4 x minus 2. To recap, always remember your goal is to isolate y first. Move the x term using addition or subtraction. Second, divide every term by the number in front of y, and always watch your negative signs when dividing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.